Yeah, right now I'm putting together my new Spec Omega RGB gaming PC, and let me just mute this. So as you see, I took off the front case. This is the top case. It goes like that, and then the front case goes like this. I had to remove the case, the top and the front case, so I can put it together. And so right now, so far, I have the power supply connected, I have the radiator connected at the RGB fans, and so right now I'm going to rest this flat right here. I actually have two more fans inside, RGB fans. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave them like that. I'm going to put one here. I might put one here and one here. I'm going to see, because I have a few other fans still are remaining. This is the motherboard. It's a Asus Z390 Master Intel chip gaming motherboard. It's got 3 M.2 ports. I'm going to start installing the memory. I have this DDR4 Trident Z RGB memory. I actually have 4 sticks, 8 apiece, so it's a total of 32 gigs. Nice looking memory. I think I'm gonna put, let's see, I'm going to install this way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's that way. Make sure that's snapped into place. I'm gonna put this one and the third one. And then I'm gonna open the next two. Put 2 more sticks in there. Tell you, this memory, RGB memory, this thing looks awesome, man. They're making this RGB memory, and I tell you, it looks beautiful. Let me see. It's snapped in. And last but not least, snapped in. So there we go. We got the memory put in. Now I'm going to install the I'm going to install the CPU now, which is 9th generation i7 excuse me, i7 9700K LGA 1151 socket. And so All you have to make sure when you install this chip is that you align it the proper way. You want to make sure you take it out. You don't touch the bottom part. It has an arrow right here. You see there's an arrow right there. That arrow goes with that arrow right there. So you want to place it down. And place it down right there. It falls right into place. And then once you put it in, once you put it in there, it falls into place, and then you're gonna put a little pressure on this here. Let me see. Now you gotta take this screw off. Oh, there it goes. What you want to do is make sure it goes underneath the screw, and then you just go down, and that's it. And then it holds it into place, and that's done. Let's see. I got the little Go Fast stickers. There's another one in here. I got another Go Fast sticker in there, so that's it. See, once it goes underneath that little safety screw, it holds it into place. So right now I'm gonna finish this up, and I'm gonna put it in the case. So I'm gonna start recording for